Alright, thank you for joining me on this segment here about the Macintosh. Just kind of want to show you a little, some of the basics to get you started, get you going. In case you just bought a Mac and you're kind of, not sure where to go, how you're just kind of, getting familiar with it because you kind of maybe came from a PC background. Well, congratulations and welcome to the world of Mac. Basically, this is the Macintosh right here. I'm operating a Mac Power PC G5, and it's a tower. I have a flat screen monitor, and it doesn't matter, what Mac you have. OS X runs exactly the same on all of them. Whether you got the iMac, the Mac Mini, or a PowerBook laptop. And this is pretty much it. Now, the Mac is great for doing productivity stuff like graphic design, music, TV and film, picture stuff, which is what I use it for, is film and television. And as you can see, it's on and ready to go. So I'm going to kind of take you on a kind of a tour of the Mac OS X Tiger. And hopefully you'll be up and running and smooth sailing. Alright.